Namaste friends, I am fitness trainer Sudhakar Mane. Welcome to this episode of Fitness Size India. Another important load bearing joint is partially movable cartilaginous joint found in spine. Spine consists of 33 or 34 small cylindrical bones called as vertebra, out of which 24 are separate bones and balance are fused to form 2 more bones. In short, spine is a vertical column of these 26 bones placed one above the other with thick, round-shaped, shock-absorbing, washer-like intervertebral disc sandwiched in between every adjacent bone, which eliminate bone-to-bone contact and friction between them. This is fibrocartilaginous joint. Entire stacking is in one straight line in front view but shows alternate curves in side view. There are 2 more synovial joints on outer side of every vertebra which provide partial movement between them, and the intervertebral disc assists this movement. Due to this arrangement, little movement in each bone gets added together and gives limited but useful all directional movement in upper body like flexion, extension, side bending and rotation. Axial load is taken by bones and the disc, and the curves of the spine assist to balance and stabilize the structure. Spine also provides protective tunnel with safe exit gates at different levels to delicate nerve system which starts from brain, travels through the flexible protection tunnel, branches out and spreads all over the body. Other skeletal sections are also connected to spine at different levels like head on the top, arms at the upper middle, thoracic cage at the middle and legs at the bottom. Spine keeps the body upright and promotes weight distribution with body balance. Hence, spine is called as the backbone of the body. Because of these important functions, spine is one of the most important structures of the body and needs focused attention to maintain its health. Back pain or neck pain can be initial signals of declining health of the spine. If neglected, can progress to slip disc or lateral shifting of the spinal bone or nerve compression, etc. All these things severely affect the functionality of the body. However, health of the spine can be restored or maintained by exercising regularly. Postural corrections for all small activities like sitting, standing, walking and all gym exercises are of prime importance. Number 2, focus should be on equal development of both sides of the body. Number 3, strength training should include activation of kinetic chains of the body and good stretching. Hanging is one of the great way of equal stretching. Number 4, exercises leading to discomfort should be avoided. Number 5, needs good support of correct nutrition. And number 6, guidance of qualified, experienced trainer is essential. Now friends, though this is applicable to all, it is extremely important to middle-aged group for enjoying rest of the life comfortably. Friends, thanks for listening to me. Keep watching all further episodes by subscribing to Fitness Size India channel on YouTube. Do like if enjoyed. Awaiting for your comments. Till then, goodbye.